Hi, hello, and namaste. As promised, this is Friday and this is Free Lesson Friday. Every Friday on my page, I'll be coming live for a free lesson, motivational talk on one topic per day. So, this is your Free Lesson Friday. This is second in series. Today, we're going to talk about mindset to motivation. If you are watching live, say hi. If you are watching replay of this after this is finished, please comment #replay and please put some feedback which will help me. And if you have any queries, you are most welcome to put it in your comments. Okay, so I will come back to your comments, any queries, whatever, after the live is over. Okay, and hi, Ashok Kumar Panda. So great to see you, brother. So what is mindset to motivation? What is it? Hi, Surendra Chaudhary. So nice to see you here. Happy to have you here with me today. So what is mindset to motivation? Motivation is something that helps us to reach our dream or goals. Motivation is not a single day kind of a thing. Hi, Janet Byron. Good afternoon, and so happy to see you here on my page. So, what is it that motivates us from day to day? What is it that helps us to keep us motivated on a daily basis? My talk is all about that today. It is not always possible to remain high-vibing, smiling, vibrant and positive every moment, but that is what we all want. Okay, so what is it? What are the steps for this? For this, first step is that you have to be dreaming really high. Your dream should be sky high. If your dream is this small, you cannot be motivated all the time. If your dream is this big, this huge, or it is skyrocketing, then in that case it is more and more easier to gain that momentum. Okay, secondly, what is it that motivates us? It is motivating because when we have a particular discipline in our life, when we are following a particular routine, okay, motivation and positivity is your choice. Okay, it is you who decide to take control of your life. You are the one who is improving your life. Self improvement starts with you, and you are the one who is aware and alert all the time to stay motivated, whatever it needs. You should have a proper morning routine. That means waking up early. Early morning gives you that extra time which you can utilize for your self-care. It is like I follow 20-20 rule of Robin Sharma. You might be following some other rule, but it has to be some kind of routine which will include some kind of physical exercise, some kind of meditation or self-reflecting activity, and some kind of reading or increasing your knowledge. It can be any kind of exercise. It can be calisthenics, yoga, or nature walk, or even a dance step, or even a little bit of stretches and lunges and squats. Exercise helps you to come out of that groggy state that you are having at night. Okay, you are in that sleepy state, but it helps you to jumpstart the day. Okay, so after that, helps you to your blood circulation is improved. You feel a bit positive. Your movement starts, and as you do, you feel very positive and happy because your oxytocin hormones are secreted in doing so. After that, please do meditation for minimum 10 minutes. Don't say I don't have time. Excuses are killers. Okay, excuses never get you anywhere. Okay, I am a very hard working person. My tips are also a bit disciplined ones and towards the hard working ones. I'm not a very easygoing, laid back people. I also, in a very hard way, I have reached this stage, okay? This stage, so whatever I'm telling you the tips, I follow every day. It's not that I'm telling you because I read it somewhere, somebody told me to do this. I preach whatever I preach, I practice it on a daily basis. I know how difficult, how challenging it is to stay positive on a day-to-day basis. Even I obel and I slither. Yes, hi Tony Doyle, so great to see you here at 5am Club. Yes, high five for that, okay? And I slither, I obel. It's not that I am happy all the time. It's not that my life is completely bed of, it's a bed of roses. There are no complications. If I start talking to you about my life, you will really appreciate me that I actually stay positive 24/7, and I am here doing this live with you. I know how tough that is. Many people know that, like Tony Doyle knows how I reached this stage. It wasn't easy, but what I promised myself, I will be motivated. I had a huge dream. I do have a dream. It's not that I reached that stage right now. I have a long way to go, but I would say till this time what I've achieved, I really appreciate myself, and whatever I have achieved, I would love to share with the world, so that you should know that hard work and your resilience, and when you decide you take control of your life, you can change your life and you can just reach that stage. After your meditation exercise and exercise, you should do some kind of reflection, study something, okay? Your wisdom goes a long way. Everything can be taken away from you, your job, your money, your relationships. What stays with you is your wisdom that you gain. Nobody can take away your wisdom. Read books. If you haven't started reading yet, from today, from tomorrow, from day after, start reading. Be wise, gain knowledge. The more you will gain knowledge, it is going to help you to be so confident, because you have that power in you. You can talk to 100,000 people. You'll never feel scared. You don't have to prepare a speech. You can talk because the wisdom is inside you. Thirdly, consistency. Be consistent in whatever you do. Tomorrow, you're very motivated. You wake up early and you follow all that routine that I'm telling you. After 2 days, you feel it's not going to work for me. Come on, forget it. 9 o'clock, I wake up, I watch a bit of television, then I scroll my FB, then I talk to a few of my friends, then I gossip about something, and then I, start complaining about the world, the coronavirus, and my, recession, and my job sucks, and my relationships. Please stop complaining. That is the next step. The more you complain, you will get such situations and experiences that will actually accelerate the process of complaining. You will be surrounded with such experience. That is law of attraction. Law of attraction attracts everything. If you are complaining, you will get situation to complain about. If you are appreciating, you will get situations to appreciate about. Don't complain, but just find out the solution. What is the solution? We love complaining. We humans are tribal people. We love to complain. We love to gossip. We spend so much of our daytime, the awakened hours of our time complaining. Why complain everywhere? That is what social media feeds us. That is what the mainstream media feeds us, okay? Newspaper, television, news network, everywhere they feeds us into things, processes, situations to complain about. Stop that. If you can stop that cycle, you can do that. If you stop watching television news, it's not that you have to stop and you don't know anything about the current affairs and what's going on. Watch that for 5-10 minutes, but Don't just make it a habit to watch it 24/7 and then call up next door neighbor or another friend, another work colleague, one business associate, or one of relatives, one of your childhood friend, and again start complaining about the same situation again and again. So you are in that time every day. Do this exercise. Just spend you should write down the time you spend doing each of your activities, how much time you spend sleeping, how much time you spend watching TV, how much time scrolling your FB feed, how much time calling your friends, and how much time cursing and abusing. One day you write down this time, you will know what you are doing with your life, your productivity. Where is your productivity? Where is your focus? You'll find out. Change that focus. It is very simple. Do it for one day. Next is surround yourself with very positive and uplifting people. Okay? Yes, you choose your flock, you choose your tribe. Okay? When you surround yourself with people who are very ambitious, just like you, I would say surround yourself with people who are at a higher level than you. Those who have already achieved those goals, that stage, surround yourself with such people, okay, so that you feel that they are at much higher level than you. You have to be like them. Instead of surrounding yourself with people who are complaining and completely, not that very successful, do that. That will help you to keep yourself motivated, that I have to be like that person, I have to be like that particular friend, I have to be like this one, why can't I do this? And then you start that body activity kind of a thing. Body meditation. You do meditation, I do meditation. You are doing physical exercise, I'm doing that. You are waking up early, I'm doing that. It helps so much. I did it that way. I surrounded myself with all positive people. It's not that you delete all the negative people in your life. Every positive people are positive, every negative people are also positive. So you have to choose the good parts of people. Take the great qualities from everyone. Yes, right. That is Malegam. Thank you so much for joining. Spiritual journaling. Perfect. Right. Next is journaling. I was coming to this. Write down about your thoughts. Negative also, positive also. Every day write down what is your thought process. Let it flow. Let it flow. Your tears, your things that takes you down, your negative approaches, and also your dreams, your intentions, your positive sides, your good qualities, so that when you write it down, you know how much of negativity is inside you. It helps a lot. And next is every day do some kind of writing down of some chanting or something. That helps a lot. There are so many now we have this YouTube and so many other resources, so many great podcasts. Just listen to this, keep on listening. The more you listen, your subconscious absorbs those, and repetition helps to keep you motivated all the time. And positivity is it's like it's like oxygen. It's like inhaling the part. It is your work. Nobody can help you to stay positive every day unless you decide to stay positive. And once you get addicted to staying positive, what we say is like being in that alignment, high vibing energy. It is completely addictive. I'm telling you, you cannot just come out of it. It is amazing. You will love it the way it is. And motivation, I would love to share my part of story. There were times that I never used to. I was so very depressed and I was so traumatized. It was like 3-4 years back, and even waking up early in the morning, first thought that came to me is I don't even want to go outside my bedroom. I don't want to start a day. I know you all there are many people who are upset, who are depressed, and situations are like that, we just cannot come out of it. It is not that easy. But I was like sinking in a huge ocean with a straw. I just could see a straw. What was that straw? That straw was to stay positive. If I can get hold of that straw, maybe I will stay alive. And I did get hold of that straw. Okay, I worked on myself 24 cross 7 every single day. I could not give any excuse that I'm tired and that I need to sleep now. And there were days I could sleep only for 2-3 hours. The situation at my house was like that. I was not allowed to sleep. I don't want to talk about my negative part anyway, because I'm out of it now and I am really leading my dream life. And if you want to know more about me, I just wanted to tell you this, that yes, I was leading a very high flying glamorous life in Mumbai. And last year, 1 year back, I left everything and I came back to a small town in West Bengal, and I'm settled here. I left it. I jumped into that knowing that universe is going to support me, and now I stay in a huge mansion. I have my own vegetable garden where I grow my vegetables, and I am leading the dream life that I dreamed always, surrounded with nature, huge house with all kind of amenities, and also my successful coaching business, thank God. And everything is working out for me because the seed of that positivity I had planted 2 years back, and I believe that everything is going to work out. And I left in that adventure because I know when you decide to take control of your life, everything falls into place. You are being guided by the universe. You can see your road leading you. It is like universe will take you in your arms. Okay, universe is High Singh. So it is like a baby of a universe cradling me and showing me the way, the right people, the right situations, the right experiences. And I'm here. I cannot even believe some days when I wake up and I sit here in this huge house and I listen to the birds chirping and eggplants from my vegetable garden, and I enjoy my cup of coffee. And I just cannot believe. I sometimes I feel I'm in a real dream. Is it for true? Is this me? Tony Doyle knows. Yes, I know. You know me, right? You know my story. Can you even believe this is me? I cannot. It's been amazing. It's like a fairy tale to me. So my message to everyone is that whatever be your dream, okay, whatever trauma it is going through you, you can do it. Okay, if you have it inside you, if you don't want to lose, if you have it in you, you will do it. You don't have to be, you just have to trust. You have to keep your focus that I am going to stay positive. Law of attraction works out all the time. My dream is going to be my reality, and it does work out. If it has worked out with me, it is going to work out with each of you. And I just want to tell you this, I am with all of you. I'm there to support you, and just like you all need a little bit of nudge. Okay, sometimes we know we have to do the right things, but we don't do that. So I am that little bit of nudge on your shoulder to help you as your facilitator to reach that level of your dream or goal of whatever you want to achieve in your life. Okay, so any kind of queries you have, I'm here to answer for you. And I do have specialized modules on self-love, which is very, very important that you immerse yourself. Hi Himanshu, so great to see you. So there are specialized modules on self-love, which I did it. It includes so many things. empowered me in a huge way. I cannot explain how. The way it has helped me, and I want to share this with the world. Just take one module from me, you know what difference it makes in you. I was a very low vibing person. From that, if I can become like this, you know there is no limit to personal excellence. You can always reach the top. Just believe in it. And there are specializations that I have introduced. One is on dance meditation. That is, the total innovation is of me. I am a trained classical dancer since childhood, and with that I have added meditation, and it is so much empowering. It is all about chakra healing and inner trauma healing. It is amazing. So if you want to take it, just ping me. I will explain what it is all about. There are other modules also on law of attraction. It works all the time. On manifestation, I have done my certification from Dr. Joe Vitale. And I am an Abraham Hicks follower and a practitioner since 2009. It is my Bible, and every single thing that I have achieved in my life manifested is through following law of attraction. So I can train you in that. I can help you achieve your goals with that. And there are other modules also. Just ping me and I'll let you know. And every Friday I'll see you here. And also write down if you want to know more about any other topic, then I will just talk about it, because I love talking and I want to I want to share all my wisdom and knowledge with you, because the more I share, it helps me to learn more. Okay, every day, like at least 8 to 9 hours, I spend time on researching and learning, because I am an addicted learner. Wisdom is what I gain every day, and I love sharing this. Whatever I learn, I just share with you all. So I want a feedback for this session, and if you are interested in any of my services, just let me know. And also, if you want any guidance from me anytime, I'm always there for you. And it was so great to see all of you. Thank you, Tony Doyle, for joining. Thank you, Himanshu. Thank you, Raj Singh, Daras Malagam, and Ashok Kumar Panda. It is so amazing to see you all. And today I want to say bye-bye. Love you all. Catch you soon. Bye.